Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to report a game on chess.com. Open the chess.com application. Make sure you're in the game. So you cannot really actually report the game itself. But what you can do is report the player during the game. For that, you'll have to tap on their name that you can see at top. Tap on the option Report. Once you do that, you'll have to select the reason for reporting. Tap on the option of your choice. Now you can tell them more if you want by simply tapping on this field. Simply enter your problem over here. Tap on the option Report. Tap on the option OK. Now once you do that, the person has been reported. You can simply go back. Tap on the option OK in order to resign. You can stop playing with that particular person. Like this, you'll be able to report someone on the game on chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.